This one's for the gardeners. The homegrown is best, people. Dirt under your fingers. I grew this myself, people. We know the feeling. Watching the first seedlings break through the soil, sharing a harvest, and finding joy in growing something yourself. Whether it's patio pots, backyard beds, small market farms, or community-led operations. From the first sunflower we ever grew to the thousands of varieties we carry today, our passion hasn't changed to care for nature and for every gardener who puts their trust in us. Our seeds are put to the test before they reach your hands, evaluated, trialed, and held to strict standards, verified through third-party labs, so you never have to second-guess quality. The garden will always have its surprises. Our job is to give you the best possible start. This is where it begins. Your hands, the soil, and West Coast seeds.